In this final update, we'll showcase the full functionality of our Pump.Fun Telegram Volume Booster bot. From wallet creation and SOL transfers to checking balances and executing swaps, we've fine-tuned everything for seamless automation. Stay tuned as we walk through each step. Let's dive in. The first step in our volume bot is creating multiple wallets to distribute trades across different addresses. 1. Automated wallet generation. The bot creates new Solana wallets programmatically using Solana's SDK. 2. Private key encryption. To keep wallets secure, all keys are encrypted and stored safely. 3. Dynamic wallet assignment. Each trading session uses different wallets to mimic real user activity. With multiple wallets ready, the next step is funding them with SOL. To execute trades, our bot needs SOL for gas fees and transactions. Here's how the process works. 1. Master wallet distribution. The bot sends SOL from a primary wallet to multiple trading wallets. 2. Batch transfers. To save time and fees, it processes multiple transfers in a single transaction. 3. Auto refill system. If a wallet's SOL balance drops too low, the bot automatically tops it up. Now that our wallets are funded, we need to check their balances before executing trades. Before making any trades, the bot verifies available balances to ensure smooth transactions. Real-time balance fetching. The bot queries the blockchain to check each wallet's SOL and token balance. Alerts for low balance. If a wallet lacks funds, the bot sends a notification for manual or automatic refills. Live dashboard updates. Users can track all wallet balances within the Telegram bot interface. With our wallets ready and balances confirmed, it's time for the final step, starting swaps. Now, let's start swapping tokens to generate trading volume. Here's how the bot executes swaps. Randomized trade sizes. Each swap is executed with varying amounts to simulate organic activity. Smart delay mechanism. Trades occur at different intervals to avoid detection and maintain a natural pattern. Multiple wallet execution. Orders are placed from different wallets, making it look like multiple users are trading. Swap confirmation and monitoring. Every trade is recorded and displayed in the Telegram bot for tracking. With swaps in action, the Pump.Fun Telegram Volume Booster is now fully operational. Our Pump.Fun Telegram Volume Booster is now live and ready to take your tokens trading volume to the next level. Want early access? Contact us now. Need support? Check out the links in the description. Ready to boost your project? Reach out and start today. This bot is fully optimized for wallet creation, SOL transfers, balance checks, and automatic swaps. Everything you need for strategic volume generation. Don't miss out. Secure your access now. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates.